Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to change screen timeout on Redmi Note 9 Pro. Let's begin! Luckily for us, changing the screen timeout is very easy. First, you want to head into settings. Then, you want to scroll down a little, and you want to scroll past the display, and instead you want to head into lock screen. And right at the top of the lock screen we have sleep. As you can see, currently it is set to 1 minute after inactivity. This means that after 1 minute of set inactivity, our phone should automatically lock itself. I will bump up this value, but be careful because generally speaking, whenever you bump up this value, you will also increase the battery usage. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.